So just curious, the Demi is how many printers is it supporting so far? Just that's something I'm not. You said you're up to how many?
So yeah, so just to walk you through some of the numbers on that. So we have eight printers here. They do about 400 swabs every 4 hours, each of them, right? So that's the amount that we have coming off the printers when we're running at full capacity. So we would, you'd want to do about 4 batches at a time. So it's about 1,600 swabs, right, at a time. We dialed it into about a 90-second. It took about 90 seconds in the Demi. That was how. I mean, again, swabs are very small. So it was easy to knock the resin off, but it only took about 90 seconds with the ultrasonics and the combination of the detergent and the ultrasonics, and that would have been, about 12 minutes in IPA, for comparison. So from a speed perspective, it was a huge benefit.